The heads of state reaffirmed the right of every human being without distinction of any kind to the enjoyment of the highest attainable standard of physical and mental health. That's what the heads of states committed to. They also committed to reaffirming the need for, stressing the need for a comprehensive and people-centered approach with a view of leaving no one behind. Just to highlight other resolutions within the resolution, they also affirmed the need for strong political commitment to address the challenge of financing, as Dr. Kutsen was indicating, very difficult one, but the heads of state reaffirmed this commitment to address the challenge of financing and creating an enabling environment in this regard.